So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure to welcome you here at the ground of the Faculty of Electrical Engineering on behalf of, will Dean of the Faculty come? No, okay. On behalf of the Dean of the Faculty and on behalf of, let's say, the academic sector, so the Institutes of the Academy of Sciences. My name is Michal Bursa, and I am the director of the Astronomical Institute of the Academy of Sciences. And this meeting, I think, is kind of a special one, or at least I don't remember any other meeting of this kind, because it brings together people from the academy and from the universities to not discuss, but let's say present their faculties, their teams, their working groups, and to show us what each team is doing in terms of activities, space activities, so activities that concern exploration of space or exploration of Earth, but from the space. And as I said, this is a very unique opportunity because the idea of this meeting, the reason we organize it, is that we think it is very beneficial to meet all together, because not everybody knows everyone else, what they are doing, and so on. So to have a common knowledge of each group is doing, and how their work, their research work, or application of that research work may contribute to space development, exploration of Earth, or exploration of more distant universe, let's say. The reason why we are meeting at this period of time is obvious, because we are, I would say, opening a third chapter in space exploration. The first chapter was opened already in the 70s with Apollo program. Then we had a period of space shuttle flights from 80s to, let's say, 2010. And in these days, I think we are opening another chapter, because now we see commercial flights coming to the orbit of the Earth. The mankind is planning base on the Moon. Perhaps soon we will have someone on Mars. And that's not everything. The space flights are getting cheaper. There's a lot of commercial applications above our heads, and we as a Czech Republic and teams here have a very strong potential to contribute to all this development. So this is the reason why we meet here, and what is coming in this day and tomorrow is a series of short lectures that will introduce individual teams, individual groups, and individual contributions to space development. And I'm very much looking forward to what we are going to see. Obviously, in a meeting like this, even more important than the presentations are breaks, because usually there's a lot of food and a lot of space or time for meeting one another and discuss individually. So that is what I'm looking forward. The space applications are obviously important, because it not only helps us to understand the universe and the nature and the place we have in the universe, to understand our Earth and how it works and so on. But it also helps people to have better lives. And I remembered this myself when I woke up this morning in my bed, which has this polyurethane mattress, which is a byproduct, by the way, of the cosmic engineering. So we may look forward that our applications and our work will be useful for space exploration, but very soon it may be also useful, although we may not know yet, in everyday life. I'm afraid I will not use all 25 minutes, so this is perhaps everything I wanted to say as an introduction, and we may go on with the program. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you very much, Dr. Bursa. Several remarks from me. Of course, I would communicate to you the best regards from our Dean, Professor Pata, who is now sitting at the State Examination Committee, and also from our rector, who's on the business trip. Wojciech Petráček is, by the way, the head of the research committee at the Ministry of Transportation Research Committee on space. As we all know, space research in the Czech Republic is quite developed, but it's very fragmented, and in the future it should be some, I would say, transparent and clear partner for institutions like government and ESA and European Commission. I'm not going to start and announce the start of the new Czech Space Research Institute. It's not my ambition, but something at least informal must be created in the near future. And I think that strategy AV21 and this meeting just contribute to this effort to make the space segment and space research in the Czech Republic more transparent and more visible.